channel, and welcome to Friday the 13th. You've probably noticed some weird things happening to my channel over the last 2-3 weeks, and there is a very good reason for that. I will explain. Well, the first disaster happened about nearly 3 weeks ago now, and my wife decided she was going to mow the lawn. And many of you may know we have multiple large dogs here that are our friends. Two of them decided they were going to dig a hole while Mum was mowing the grass. And the hole was that big that Mum went down it backwards, and she's broken her leg. So I'm being Mr. Mum, looking after my wife. So I've had no time to come up here and make any sort of new sort of videos. Must apologise for that, but beyond my control. And the second disaster, well, I'll take you outside for that, and this happened about a week ago. I'll show you. Okay, so I brought you outside, and you must excuse the dogs barking now and again. They're out after just being fed, but you'll probably notice around me's still a bit wet, because just about a week ago we had 6 inches of rain in one evening, and what happened was we're on a side of a hill here, and all the water from about half a kilometre up the hill came down at us and came through our boundary fence here. You can still see where the water's been flowing. It was flowing through like a river all the way here, broken all the bank down, and you can see where it's been flowing through here. And of course we had a flood, and you can see about 3 or 4 inches up the door, the water, that's where the water level was. And the drainage system around here as such wasn't man enough to take it. So instead of flowing around the workshop, it flowed through it. Well, you can see there how high the water came up, and flooded my workshop. I mean, it flowed down through the side here, okay. But actually I've swept up a lot and cleaned up a lot and mopped up a lot. Thankfully all the machines, of course, are on wheels. They're up off the floor. Oh, here's a little bit that I haven't started to clean up, but you can see where the mud was flowing down through here and out through the back wall, actually. So yes, so that's the reasons why I haven't been producing, and I've had a friend sort of go on my cutting room floor, shall we say, and pull some videos together regarding some of the topics that are in the comment section, to try and sort of address those. So that's why the last sort of 3 weeks has been very little new material, but videos addressing sort of issues regarding the comments. And I would ask, actually, that that incidentally is Puppy, better known as Arlo, and he is 45 kilos. And he's only 7 months old. Very big boy, like a big Pyrenees mountain dog. Because that's what he's related to. Because of the circumstances I am in at the moment, I would ask that a long-term or the older patrons, and certainly the the sort of heavy-duty subscribers, maybe you could answer some of the comments on my behalf with patrons and on my channel to help me out, because it's rarely I can get onto the computer really now. I've got a friend looking after my wife at the moment while I'm up here trying to address the many emails coming in of where am I and why am I not sort of producing videos, and also why am I not answering the questions with patrons and with on my channel. It's because it's very difficult for me to even get to a computer at the moment. So another thing too, because we had this flood, we lost all of our internet, and it's only yesterday afternoon that they renewed the internet cable. They had to put a new fibre optic in to address the issue. So I've had three things, it's Friday the 13th today, so hopefully it's all done. I've had three disasters, but so as you can imagine, it's been pretty difficult. So until the next video, which shouldn't be too far away actually, well, like and subscribe, and if you like what I'm doing with the channel, you could consider becoming a patron. I must thank all the patrons out there for supporting the channel, and obviously the viewers as well and subscribers. So until the next video, it's bye for now.